Yeah. Wave. Yeah. I swear they never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty. Check the pantry from the sound waves to the rebel lines. From the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet to sign a major for the bankroll. But thank the Lord that it dies at penitentiary. Nice guy, but my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy. Walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Crew like hella cloudy. At a poison ivy. Went from like a stronger with a co-sign me. I don't even like me. No, I'm staring in the mirror indifferent. Who is this nigga? He claimed me the realest, the shy, but timid. The riddles were fingers, they simple-minded. Find a prototype, I'm taking it. From the too much on my plate, then they take it.
Steven!
What?
Where are you?
Right here.
Hey guys, what's going on? Back for another video. So we have talked about doing more moto vlogs, auto vlogs, stuff like that, because in this time of quarantine, the Fox body and the Nissan, neither one of them, I don't have any money for that. So we lost our small business, work has been slow, still have a job, which is great, but we're gonna have to take a little bit of a break. So I got to thinking about it, and I told you that the four-wheel drive Mazda was gonna get monster lined, which I still plan on doing, but right now, don't have money for that. So one of the colors that I really liked was pretty bold, and I was gonna actually keep this a secret, but I am no longer going to. So I thought it would be cheap to try out a color on this car using Rustoleum. So we're gonna do it for about, I don't know, I think I have $50 into this, and it's just something to do so I can bring you guys content that isn't always just talking about something in the absence of our project. So I'm gonna show you. We're doing a color test. So I'm rattle canning this whole thing because one, we can't afford the monster liner kit right now, and two, I want to see if the scheme that I'm going for is going to be something that I like before I completely commit to the monster liner. So down here you can see I'm stripping off all the old pinstriping. We took some rust off right here. I tested some rusty metal primer in that spot there. You guys all know this truck, and it's pretty rough, right? Mechanically, it's completely sound now. We dumped a bunch of money into that, redid the front end, redid the fueling system. Look at some of this rust. You can see it just throughout the truck. It's a relatively straight body, but we got some rust issues in a lot of spots. Bring you over here, you can see a bunch of rust here. See all that nastiness right there, and I'll show you one more fender. Right down there, that's all rust I've been working to remove. So we're gonna do a really quick rattle can spray, and I'm gonna show you guys this thing is gonna be amazing. I already replaced the tailgate. I'll get that in here right now. Tailgate, new one is on from a spare truck I had. To give you an idea, there's the old tailgate in the back there. It looked like absolute crap. It actually was bonded over like 10 times. I can peel that off of there. So anyway, I'll get back to the video. We shot a test fender. That is the color we're going with. So I just roughly masked it off really quick, and I love that color. I know it's not for everyone, and that's exactly why I wanted to try it with just rattle can first to see if I like it. If I do, when we go the monster liner route, we'll do that. So we've been tearing this thing apart, and I'll flip this around and show you. So that is the blue that we're going to be doing on the Mazda. Like I said, I just masked everything off really quick. You can tell by the logo there. I didn't necessarily do a great job. We just wanted to see what it looked like. I was getting anxious. So we got the hood pretty much knocked out. It's all rough sanded, and I coated the spots quick with just a rust saver where it was down to the bare metal. So I still have a little bit of work to do on there. Just didn't want it to get rusty. All right, guys, so we're taking a little break from the Mazda, which I was gonna keep a secret, but we're no longer keeping a secret. Obviously, that's getting a quick paint job. We're doing kind of a baby blue turquoise color. Pretty bold, but I just wanted something to do because I'm bored. We got Peter over here fixing his supercharged Regal.
Oh yeah.
Is it leaking or what you got going on?
It's not leaking anymore. You apply enough putty on there, it doesn't do anything.
Oh my God, we gotta look at this. Jesus. Well, if it works. Are you proud?
I am. I'm glad that it's finally all together.
Yeah, so like I said, this was just a test panel. It's by no means done at all. I'm stripping off the old decals, which has proved to be quite a process. And then if we come back here, I took off the rear bumper. You can see some of these spots need quite a bit of attention, but we'll get all that done. So yeah, guys, so the Mazda, it's an old truck, and the beauty is it's not a classic truck, and it's not new enough to where I really have to care. I just want it to look a little bit better, and I think we can all agree that that looks a lot better than the rust and the white. What do you think, Steven?
I totally agree. It looks a lot better.
And I was really nervous about this color when I first thought about doing it, and that's exactly why, again, that I wanted to do rattle cans first, just to see if I like it, and then someday when we do the monster liner, hopefully we get back to work, Steven's been working from home.
Yeah,
Yeah.
kinda sucks, but
He's working on his truck too, though. What are you doing right now?
replacing front coils and just the brake pedal and gas pedal.
Yeah, oh yeah, because you had to cut, when you built the truck, you had to cut the gas pedal out and like re-weld it in, didn't you?
Yeah, it was a Jimmy rig pretty much.
Yeah.
Previously.
All right, so yeah, we'll drop a picture of Steven's truck before and after. Here's your before picture. And here's the after picture. So, no stranger to bodywork. That thing was nuts. I've had a few videos of that on the channel, and it turned out beautiful. I mean, it's awesome. If you haven't seen that truck, it's a Crown Vic Police Interceptor 2004?
2005.
2005 with a 65?
65.
With a 65 F100 dropped onto the body. So, he was helping me. We're just getting some of the little stuff knocked out, sand it down, get some of the rust ground out on this. This isn't going to be anywhere near as pretty as his truck was, but it's a 91 Mazda pickup, so it really doesn't matter. So, you guys, thanks for watching this little video. If you enjoy this, if you want to see the progress on this budget paint job before we commit to the monster liner, because it's the only thing we can afford to do right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell so you're notified every time we upload a video. If you guys could hit the like button, that really helps me. YouTube really likes it when you do that, so please hit the like button if you like the color of the Mazda and want to see progress in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
The bank roll, but thank the Lord that I dies in penitentiary. Nice guy, but my inside is empty. Mighty flashy with a bird's eye. Scribble gems to get my pockets lined till I get arthritis. Switch my heart.